Okay, in today's video, we are going to discuss about number analogy trick. Okay, so before solving the number analogy trick, look at the question over here. You should have to remember there is some formulas there is some tricks are there. What are the tricks? What are the formulas? So that is on priority basis. You should have to remember while solving the number analogy question. Just remember in your mind, just stick in your mind that you should have to follow the rules, regulations. That is a formula. What is that? The first one is first priority. I'm telling you that the prime number logic. What is that? Prime number logic. The formula, the prime number logic, you should have to apply first, priority basis. Okay. And the second one is square logic. What logic? Square logic, right? And after that is cube logic. Okay. And number 4, that is you have to say multiplication and division logic. Multiplication and division logic. Okay. And number 5, that is addition and subtraction logic. Okay, so you should have to think about the brain. Just take in your mind that while solving the number analogy question, you should have to take about your mind that first of all you have to apply the prime number logic, then after square logic, then after cube logic, then after multiplication division logic, then after addition subtraction logic, so on like this. Okay, so now see, look at the question. So there is 9 colon 26 proportion 49 colon dash. How can you solve this? And these are the options given to you. Which one is the right answer? Look at here. Okay, so this 9 can be written like this. 3 square 9. Yes, absolute right. And what is the relationship between these two numbers? Look at here. 26 can be written like this. Very simple thing. Look at here. That is 5 square plus 1. Yes, absolute right. Ekdam sahi hai. Okay. Similarly, the 49 can be written like this. 7 square. Yes, absolute right. 7 square is what? 49. Yes. उसके बाद आप बोलेंगे सर ये 9 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 होगा. 9 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 मीन्स वो दैट इज 81 प्लस 1 82 ऑप्शन में है क्या? नहीं 82 ऑप्शन में नहीं है, तो ऐसा लॉजिक अप्लाई नहीं होगा. देन कौन सा लॉजिक अप्लाई होगा? व्हिच लॉजिक? लुक एट हियर द प्राइम नंबर लॉजिक. लुक एट हियर 7 स्क्वायर नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर कौन है? 8 नहीं, 9 नहीं, 10 नहीं, क्या है? 11 है. तो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट नंबर हियर? व्हाट विल बी द लॉजिक ओवर हियर? ऑब्वियसली कैन से दैट दिस इज 11 स्क्वायर प्लस 1. 11 square is what? 121 plus 1. So what is that? 122. So 122 is your answer, right? Okay, so this is prime number logic here applying. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, look at the next question. Question number 2. Very interesting. Look at the question number 2. So that is 8 colon 28 proportion 27 colon dash. How can you solve this? Same logic. I told you that the priority basis, prime number logic, then square logic, cube logic, multiplication, division logic, addition, subtraction logic. Okay, think about your brain and tell me, think about your brain. So this 8, how it is coming? Look at, very simple. That is 2 cube. 2 cube is what? Yeah, yes, absolute right. 2 cube is what? 8. Yeah. How can you write this one? That is 3 cube plus 1. Yes. 3 cube is what? 27 plus 1 28. Yes, absolute right. एकदम सही. अच्छा, ये वाला क्या है? इसमें रिलेशनशिप क्या हो गया ना? 2 का क्यूब 8 है, ये 3 का क्यूब प्लस 1 28. Yes, absolute right. तो इसमें क्या रिलेशनशिप होगा? Obviously ये क्या है? 3 क्यूब है. Yes, absolute right. तो obviously ये क्या होगा? That is 4 cube plus 1. Yes. 4 cube is what? 64 plus 1. So what you are getting? 65. 65 ऑप्शन में है. हाँ है, right. Okay, तो 65 is your answer. Right? Okay. So cube logic you are applying over here. Right? Very simple. Okay. Look at the next question over here. So that is 10 colon 30 proportion dash colon 130. Very interesting questions. Look at here. These are the options. Okay. So 10 colon 30 proportion symbol dash colon 130. Acha. So what is the relationship between these two numbers? Look at here. What is the relationship between these two numbers? कोई प्राइम नंबर का लॉजिक अप्लाई हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. स्क्वायर लॉजिक, क्यूब लॉजिक होता है? देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं होता है कि नहीं. सो दिस 10 कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस. 2 क्यूब इज व्हाट? 8 प्लस 2 ये 10. यस, एब्सोल्यूट राइट. 2 का क्यूब कितना है? 8 है. 8 प्लस 2 इज व्हाट? 10. यस. सिमिलरली 30 कैन बी रिटन 3 का क्यूब प्लस 3. यस, 3 का क्यूब कितना है? 27 प्लस 3 इज व्हाट? 30. यस, एब्सोल्यूट राइट. ओके, तो सिमिलरली दिस टू दिस व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप? This to this, what is the relationship? अच्छा, इसको कंसिडर करेंगे 130. Look at here 130. अगर हम इस फॉर्मूला से लॉजिक अप्लाई करेंगे 2 क्यूब प्लस 2 या 3 क्यूब प्लस 3, तो ऑब्वियसली ये 4 क्यूब प्लस 4 रहेगा, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 5 क्यूब प्लस 5. यस, 5 का क्यूब कितना? 125 प्लस 5. व्हाट इज दैट? 130 हो रहा है, हाँ हो रहा है. तो ऑब्वियसली ये लॉजिक क्या काम करेगा, तो ऑब्वियसली यू कैन से दैट इट विल बी 4 क्यूब प्लस 4, यस. 4 का क्यूब कितना, 64 प्लस 4, यस. सो दैट इज 68, यस. तो 68 इज योर आंसर. Yes, those 68 is your answer. Okay. So in this way, think about your brain, what logic you should have to apply. Okay. So priority basis, I have already told about that. So think about your brain, exactly what kind of logic you should have to apply. Look at the question carefully and according to that, you have to solve it. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you very much.